Hello everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to install or update software in your device Infinix Hot 20. So if you want to do so, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how to install, update or update software in your device Infinix Hot 20.